Of the Year at Darling of the Press Awards ay laging pinakihintay tuwing inadaos ang Star Awards. At ngayong taong ito, doble ang excitement, lalo na sa Darling of the Press dahil 10,000 in cash ang kalakip na regalo mula sa Rhea Rubbing Alcohol.
To present the Newsmaker of the Year and the Darling of the Press Awards, magkatulong ang dalawang artistang tanyag di lamang sa kisig at ganda, kundi sa kinang ng kanilang pagganap sa pelikula, si Mark Hill and Bing Loytaga.
Magandang gabi ko. Usap-usapan talaga ang mga personalities na ito, kaya sila ang mga nominado para sa Newsmaker of the Year.
And the nominees are the Vilma Santos-Ralph Recto Wedding, Nora Honor, Dolphy, Lea Salonga, and the Rudy Fernandez-Lorna Tolentino Wedding.
And the Newsmaker of the Year for 1993 is, well, actually, the Newsmakers of the Year are Dolphy and Robin Padilla. Presenting the awards for Newsmakers of the Year is Pilar Mateo from the PMPC. And accepting the award is Mr. Eric Hizon, together with Mr. Rostom Padilla. In behalf of my dad, I'd like to thank the PNPC for choosing him as the most intriguing person of 1992. Thank you.
Hindi ako Robin Padilla talaga. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa PNPC at hindi po dahil sa wala sa dito dahil hindi niya gusto itong award kundi meron sa ibang inaasikaso. But the thing is, sabi nga ng industriya, good or bad publicity is still publicity. Maraming salamat po, hindi ako Robin Padilla.
Alright, the following nominees have proven to be the year's press favorite.
And the nominees are Christopher Min, Rufa Gutierrez, Eric Hizon, Gary Valenciano, and Ricky Reyes.
And the Darling of the Press for 1993 goes to Ricky Reyes. Presenting the award for Darling of the Press are William Reyes from the PMPC and Mr. Cesar Neri, Brand Manager from Filusa Corporation. Ang sarap pong pakinggan at namnamin ng karangalan ito. Alam niyo po, sa tanang buhay ko, marami-rami na rin pong karangalan. But I think this is the best. Because this trophy, may laman po itong puso, pagmamahal at damdamin ng ibang tao para sa akin. Sa buong pamunuan po ng PMPC and its member, and also, doon sa mga hindi member ng PMPC, thank you for making me your darling. Class Philippines.